you're generating videos with Google Flow, you already know the output looks incredible. But every clip comes stamped with the watermark in the corner, even on a paid Google AI plan. And no, you don't need another paid tool or some random free converter site that recompresses your footage and tanks the quality Flow just gave you. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to clean that watermark off your Google Flow exports for 100% free, with zero quality loss, using a powerful open source editor called Shotcut. Let's jump into the workflow. First, grab the tool at shotcut.org. Links in the description. Download the installer for your OS and open the app. Set your project name, pick your folder, and hit Start. Now click Open File and import your Flow export. Got several clips generated from the same Flow project or prompt? Import them all together. You'll clean them up in a single pass instead of repeating this per clip. Drag your clip into the timeline. There are a few ways to tackle this. Masking it out manually in an editor is one, but the fastest, cleanest route is Shotcut's built-in filter. With the clip selected, head over to the Filters tab on the left. Click the plus icon, search for Spot Remover, and select it. A bounding box will appear on your preview screen. Drag and resize that box so it tightly covers the Flow watermark. It usually sits bottom right, so you only need a small crop area. Shotcut intelligently blends the surrounding pixels over the watermark so it disappears naturally. If you've got more Flow clips on the timeline, don't redo this from scratch. The watermark sits in the same spot on every export. Choose Copy Checked Filters, click each other clip, and hit Paste Filters. One setup applied everywhere. Once it looks clean, click Export up top. Pick a preset that matches your footage. If you're not sure, YouTube or MP4 defaults work fine for most projects. Choose your folder, hit Export File, and let it render. And that's it. Clean, high-quality Google Flow footage with zero watermarks. For free. Quick note, Google's Flow terms may tie the watermark to attribution or usage rights requirements depending on your plan. So double-check that before you publish anywhere. I post practical workflows and AI video builds every week. If workflows like this save you time, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.